Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating your Indeed Job Search account. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce you about Indeed Job Search. It is a platform that connects job seekers with a wide range of job listings and opportunity. If you are searching for your first job or a career change, Indeed is a powerful tool. Now let's get started. Open your web browser. You can also use the Indeed Job Search app if you have it installed. Now, in the address bar, type www.indeed.com and press enter. After that, on the Indeed website, look for the sign up or create account link. We don't have that kind of option here, so let's click on the sign in options, which is at the right corner of your screen. After clicking on the sign in options, we will reach into the page of create an account or sign in page. Here we can see that we have few options to create our account like continue with Google, continue with Apple, or we can click our email address. If you directly want to sign in, then you can either click on continue with Google options or you can also click on the continue with Apple options. This is a one-time click. However, for now, let's type our email address. And after typing our email address, let's click on the continue option. After that, we will reach into the another page where we have options like job seeker and employer. Let's click on the job seeker options. If you are employer, then you can also click into the option of employer. For now, I'm going to click on the job seeker option. After that, I have to write my password. Make sure it is strong. After that, let's click on a I'm human option. After that, let's click on a create account option. As you can see, our job search account has been created. You can also create your account like this.